Hey there, welcome back to SimpleGuide TV. In today's video, I'm super excited to show you 3 solid methods to access Canva Pro absolutely free. Trust me, these methods are 100% legit, and the last one is going to blow your mind. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to canva.com and sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Canva is an amazing design tool that offers a free version with tons of features, but today we're focusing on getting that pro version for free. Here are the 2 main ways you can do this. The first method is through Canva for Education. If you're a teacher or work in a school, you can get Canva Pro for free. Here's how. Go to the Canva for Education page and sign up with your education email address. If you don't have an education email, you can upload proof of your teaching certification and employment. Canva will verify your credentials and upgrade you to Canva for Education within a few days. Canva for Education is a fantastic resource, giving you access to all the pro features at no cost. Unfortunately, it's not available for college or university students, but primary and secondary school teachers and students can use it. The second way is through Canva for nonprofits. If you work with a recognized charitable organization, you can also get Canva Pro for free. Here's what you need. Your organization must be recognized as a charitable or nonprofit entity by the local regulator in your country and operate on a not-for-profit basis. Visit the Canva for Nonprofits page and apply. You'll need to provide proof of your nonprofit status. Once verified, your nonprofit organization will have access to all the pro features, helping you create amazing designs to support your cause. Those are the main methods to get Canva Pro for free, but there's another way I personally use. Let me explain. Canva Teams allows multiple users to collaborate on projects with shared access to Canva Pro features. Here's how you can leverage this to get Canva Pro for free. Many users and communities create teams and share invite links. When you join a team, you gain access to all Canva Pro features without paying for an individual subscription. Now the question is, how do you find a Canva team invite link? You can find these links in various online communities and forums. Websites, Facebook groups, and specialized forums for designers often have threads where people share these links. Look for discussions specifically about Canva teams. Finding a Canva team invite link might take some time. Don't get discouraged if you don't find one right away. Keep searching and participating in relevant communities, and eventually you'll come across one. And there you have it. 3 ways to get Canva Pro for free. Whether you're a teacher, work in a nonprofit, or join a Canva team, you can unlock all the amazing pro features without spending any money. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to SimpleGuide TV for more awesome tips and tutorials. Stay creative and see you next time.